You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this letter from the English alphabet, known in English as J. The English pronunciation of this letter is J. The name of the letter is J. J, the letter J. Examples of words containing J are July, jam. Names containing J include Juliet, Jerry, my own name, Julian. J is the pronunciation of the letter J in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.